Hello, I'm Joseph Cortez, and I'm going to show you how to create a simple text hangman game. In this game, you are given a certain amount of blanks to guess the name of a movie or actor stored in the code. The user has 6 guesses to get it right. If the user guesses all letters correctly within their 6 guesses, they win the game. If the user uses all 6 guesses and does not guess all the letters, they lose the game. First, we must create a simple string method called description that welcomes the user to the game and then gives the basic instructions. We then must assign the variables that will be used throughout the main game. The word variable assigns the word to guess. The match word variable makes that word spaced out to match a guess word variable that will hold the progress of the guessed word. The bad guess variable keeps track of incorrect letters already used. Finally, the num guess variable stores the number of guesses left and is initially assigned to 6. We then must create a for loop to set guess word with corresponding blanks as letters and dashes as spaces. Another for loop is used to set match word so that guess word should eventually match match word if the game is won. The game begins. We create an initial string showing how many letters and blanks are in the word with the guess word variable. Then a while loop is created as the main game loop. It runs while the game variable is true. Next, we assign a letter to a variable letter input by calling the getLetter function. The getLetter function asks the user for a letter to guess. It allows the user to type upper or lowercase letters. If the user types a non-letter, it displays "that's not a letter" and loops again. If the user types multiple letters, it shows as an invalid input and asks the user to try again. We then use the find function to find if the letter inputted matches a letter in the word to guess. If it's a match, it returns the index of that letter. If not, it returns -1. If there is a match, we create a while loop to check if there are multiple guessed letters in the word. Once all letters have been found, the loop ends, and we print the results, and the game loops over, asking the user for another letter to guess. If the letter does not match a letter in the word, we reduce num guess by 1 and add the incorrect letter to bad guess to display to help the user remember what they already guessed. The results are printed and the game loops back over, asking the user for another letter to guess. If num guess reaches 0, the user lost and the results are displayed. If guess word is equivalent to match word, the game is won and the results are displayed. I hope you have enjoyed this brief description of how to create a simple text hangman game.